Is she wonderful? This is a different background, a different room, a different situation, because I'm going to be doing a workout. I practiced it yesterday and I wanted to try it today with y'all. This workout is like a hip building, glute building workout. You know, the booty is popping, okay? As you can see, I'm not really hippie. I have thighs. I want more curves up in the front. So that's what we're gonna be working on today. Let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna start off with our feet shoulder width apart. We're gonna step out to the side and kick up, and then I'm gonna come down. But when you squat, you're coming down and then you're squeezing your glutes. So out, squat, out, squat. I feel like that's working. Now they're saying that your legs should be level with the ground. But girl, did I lose my flexibility? Shit. Okay, so y'all try it with me. Squat, kick, squat, kick. Feel anything. So let me add some weights. These are each 10 pounds, so this is 20 pounds that I'm adding to my weights. Let's see. Ooh, that helped. I can feel it, but I feel like I need one more thing. Time for them resistance bands, bitch. So I use this cord. This is called the Fit cord. Okay, see if I got results. Look at them hips. You feel it in this area and then in the glutes. So that's the end of our workout. Y'all tell me what you think. If y'all have any questions, leave them down below. I love y'all, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.